Over here working on this Hemi Dodge Ram classic plugged heater cord, and it's our inspiration for the tool of the day. It's the OTC 6043-1 radiator flush gun, heater core flush gun, whatever you want to call it. It takes water, it takes air, turns it into a super high powered flush action machine. All right, you kind of get the gist. You've probably seen it in other videos. It works wicked awesome. I think this is the second one. I believe my first one, I don't know what happened to it. I busted it somehow. I think it broke through here. That was a long time ago. Handy little tool. Blasting out radiators, blasting out heater cores is what we use it for mostly. You do have to use your noodle with it, depending on how high your air pressure is at your shop and your water pressure. Well, you could be doing a heater core whether you like it or not if you're not careful. So you want to see how it works? Look for the video on this Hemi Dodge Ram. I don't know if it worked yet or not, in the sense that if we're successful, but hey, if we are, it'll look even better, won't it?